Such a nice pump on the Monday, and we can see the all green party again on all crypto asset. The question is, are we going to see the Bitcoin again on 6-digit number, or we're going back to the support again? What's up everyone, Puryanik here, and I hope you have a great day today. Today is a Monday and we can see the green party in all crypto asset. At the same time, we can see the USDT dominance already rejected, and when we see the rejection from the USDT dominance, definitely market going to be pump, and I think in this dump can continue, and if more dropping, definitely we can see the Bitcoin also break above the $89,000, and maybe soon or later we can back again to 6-digit number. If I back into the Bitcoin chart, as we can see Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, such a nice pump from the $80,000. As I'm already mentioned on the previous video, if you see the body to body candle with a long shadow, definitely we can see the change in the direction, and we are not so far from the top resistance around $89,000. And if you remember this trend line I'm already mentioned before, if you want to see the mega bullish on the Bitcoin again, Bitcoin have to break this yellow trend and have to take over the $89,000 again. Then we can see the 94,000, and definitely we can come back again to 6-digit number. Right now, definitely I think it can be come and retest the $89,000. As I'm already mentioned before, maybe we can see the some sell again around this $89,000, and maybe we get a rejection on the first try, and still nearest support around 85,000. And if we be breaking down the 85,000, 82,500, and the major support is still around $80,000. From my view right now, is still this pump can continue, and we can see the mid band of the BB on the weekly time frame is standing around 94k. If we check in the MACD on the weekly time frame, we can see the histogram already changing the color, and on the previous video I'm already mentioned maybe we can see the some cross on the MACD, and if Bitcoin back above the 89,000 and hold above it, definitely we can see the cross, we can see the 94k again. And for me, it's important to see the Bitcoin close above 89k and hold above the 89k. Then yes, 94,000 is still on the table. And if we get some rejection from here or higher price, it's important to see the Bitcoin hold the $82,000. As soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 82,000, definitely we can see the more pump on the market. But if we were breaking down, especially 82k or 80,000, 70,000, 74,000 is still on the table. But right now, especially when we see the USDT dominance is dropping and all the crypto market is pumping, I think in this rally can be still continue, and I'm not going to be surprising to see the reject or sell off a little bit around $89,000 again. If I back into the daily time frame, we can see very clear Bitcoin hold above the mid band, and mid band is standing around 84,500, and we have a support still around 86,000 on the daily time frame, and the top band of the BB is standing approximately around 90,500. Honestly, I think in this rally can continue, especially if we extend this trend line. We can see very clear right now Bitcoin is retesting this trend line, and sooner or later possible to see the Bitcoin breaking above this trend line and retesting the $89,000 again. And I think indefinitely we can see the some sell going on around this area, around $90,000, $89,000 again, because top band of the BB is standing around here. But I'm still positive on the market, and I think indefinitely this rally can continue. And if we see the some sell or rejection again around this area, around $89,000, $90,000, can come and retest this trend line, and if holding this trend line, definitely yes, we can see the digit number again for a Bitcoin. But right now still we are 2,000 below this resistance, and for me is very important to see the Bitcoin at least come to this area and hold above the $89,000. Let's check in the Ethereum very quickly. Ethereum also on the daily time frame, nice pump, and we can see the daily candle close above the mid band and the top band is standing around 2,238. And for me, it's important to see the Ethereum close above this resistance. Then yes, we can see the 2,300, 2,500 and higher price for Ethereum. But right now, still we are a little bit below the 2,100 resistance, and if we get a rejection again from here, still 1,900 is a major support for Ethereum, and as soon as the Ethereum hold above the 1,900, you can see the more higher price for Ethereum. If you want to be mega bullish on Ethereum again, I need to see the Ethereum close above 2,300. Then yes, $3,000 for Ethereum is still on the table. Still there is a hopium, and it's still possible to see the Ethereum around $2,300 resistance. Solana also on the daily time frame, as we can see the candle opening above the mid band and top band is standing around $146, which is the top resistance for this green box. I'm already mentioned on the previous video, as soon as the Solana hold this support around 120, can possible to ping pong, and for me it's important to see the Solana close above the 160. I mean the close above, come and retest, then yes, we can see the $200 again for Solana. But right now it's still top resistance is standing around $146, and major support for Solana is still around 120. I think in this rally can continue, and I'm not going to be surprising to see the Solana come and retest the $146. Then yes, we can see the 170, 180, 184 again for a Solana. XRP also on the daily time frame, we can see the hold above the mid band and the top band also is standing around $2.6, and the low band is standing around the $2 support. Now also XRP trying to retest the $2.6, and it's important to see the XRP break above the $2.6. Then yes, the next resistance is standing around $2.9, $3.2. Then we can see the XRP come and retest this green box between the 3.3 and the top around 3.4. But right now XRP trying to retest the $2.6, and still we have a support around $2.3, and important to see the XRP hold above $2.3. So this is all about today, my friend. Hoping this video is helping you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and supporting my channel. If you still doesn't have a Bybit account and you don't have a problem for verification, you can claim up to 30,000 deposit bonus. And if you have a problem with the verification, I'm reviewing the Bitunix exchange right now, and CryptoZone becoming partner with the Bitunix exchange. So if you have a problem with the KYC and verification, you can use in the CryptoZone link for a Bitunix. We have a special campaign on that. All the best for you, and see you on the next video.